In this video, I'll show you how to create an old TV effect in CapCut for PC. Let's use this video clip as our example. First, drag and drop it into your timeline. Go to the Effects panel and type old TV in the search bar. You can click to preview different old TV effects before choosing one. When you find an effect you like, simply drag and drop it onto your video track to apply it. The effect will appear as a separate layer above your video. You can adjust how long it lasts by dragging the edges of the effect layer. On the right side panel, you can fine-tune the effect speed to get exactly the vintage look you want. That's all there is to adding an old TV effect to your videos in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tips. Happy editing!